Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's exciting Godzilla Titan video, I'll be showing you how to draw Titanus Yuggoth from the new Kong series. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Titanus Yuggoth, we're going to begin by making some of these kind of mushroom spores on him. So let's begin right here. We'll start with the spore. We'll make like this big one's just going to kind of go up and down and kind of curve in. Then we're going to make this line go down and up. We can make some little broken lines on there. Next, we'll do another one here. We'll make another curve. Then we'll make this kind of come up and down. And put the little broken line on there. We'll do a smaller little bump here right behind it. And then we'll do a little line. I'll make kind of a line that's going to kind of curve down and up a little bit. Then I'm going to make this line kind of come up and down and then connect. We'll put that little line across. Over here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come up and down. But this time I'm going to take this, I'm going to bring it to here, and I'm going to bring this line in. Now I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down on each side with a couple more little lines in here. I'll make a couple more little lines here, and then we'll make a couple lines here just to kind of show where these mushrooms are kind of growing out. Next, starting here, I'm going to make kind of like a broken, wiggly line. It's just going to kind of go down and up. We'll kind of continue it over here. Now I'm going to make some kind of wiggly little lines, kind of shape out the body here. Now for one of the arms over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come up and down, and it's going to come out kind of wiggly. Then we're going to go up and down, kind of where the elbow would be. We'll make another line that's going to come out here. Then we're going to make this line come down. I'm going to make this sharp pointed claw shape right here. Then I'm going to make a bigger one right here. I'll make one right behind here. It's going to be a little smaller. And then we'll make one that's going to come up and then out to here. I'm going to make this line come down, and then we're going to make a little wiggly line to connect this. I want to make some more little lines that are going to come down here to kind of shape out the back. Now, over here, I'm going to bring a little line down, and then another line over here. It's kind of smaller. Put a couple of extra lines in there. Now I'm going to bring this line up here. I'm going to make this come out to a point for another one of those claws. I'm going to make this come out for another sharp point. We're going to make another sharp claw shape here, kind of bring it in. We'll make another point here, and then a smaller one right here. Then we go ahead and kind of connect this like this, make it kind of bumpy and wiggly. Now for the leg, I'm going to bring this line out and then down here. And then we're just going to make it kind of like little wiggly and bumpy, kind of like roots. We'll bring this kind of up and make like a couple little wiggly lines around. I want to make another line that's going to come over here, and we're going to come down. Kind of same thing, kind of wiggly, jagged like roots, and we're going to bring this line up and then into here. So we got a basic shape in here, but we want to come in and add some more details and different things. So I'm going to kind of come in here and kind of shape out a couple more little lines in here, some little extra lines. I want to put another big mushroom shape here. I'm going to bring this around and then kind of make some lines here. I'm also going to put a curve here, and then I'm going to make a line goes up and down like this. We're kind of looking at the bottom part of the mushroom. And then we're going to make some little skinny lines that are going to come right inside of here. We'll put another little bump here and a little line across, kind of shape that out. Let's make a few of these little kind of rounded shapes on here. And then we're going to add these little skinny bottoms on there for more mushrooms. We'll kind of make some more of those little shapes over here too. We can make them different sizes, can even put them behind each other. And we're just going to make the little lines all around there. We'll make some little curved shapes off the side here and kind of make it look like more little mushrooms are there. And we'll even do some little lines that are going to kind of come out with a little line across for some detail. Make a few more little lines here, kind of for those other mushrooms, and we can even put some small little mushroom shapes kind of growing all along him. We'll just kind of make these little shapes all around. Put a couple more over here. Now, I'm going to make some kind of like vine shapes on him as well. So I'm going to make some kind of long wiggly lines. They're just going to kind of come down and then out towards like all of the fingers here. Something like this. Let's make some of these kind of come down here on his body. We'll make some little kind of extra lines in here. Then we're going to make some kind of long, kind of broken lines right along here too on the legs, just to make it look like there's lots of texture and everything. Kind of do the same thing here. Make some of these long lines kind of come up. And we're just going to kind of bring these all around here. I want to make some of these more long kind of wiggly lines that are going to come up and down, kind of that go right up into the claws. I'm going to add some more of these little kind of mushroom shapes on here, and I always like to add a little line kind of towards the bottom to make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. Let's make some little lines kind of coming down the sides of our mushrooms. And some right across the edges here. We can even do some little lines on these smaller ones as well. I'm also going to make some more of these kind of little wiggly lines coming all around into him. I'm not exactly sure what they are, some type of root or fungus on there. Make some more little kind of bumps and different things on him. I want to make some of these little lines kind of connect and all over the place so it looks like there's lots of roots and different things. I want to make these little kind of broken lines on the claws here too, just for some fun detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Titanus Yuggoth from the Kong series. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.